Former MMA fighter Conor McGregor has announced he is withdrawing from the presidential election race. Mr. McGregor was among a number of prospective candidates who were due to address county councils, including Dublin City Council, on Monday to seek a nomination. 11 councils were due to hold special meetings on Monday to consider nominating a candidate. Candidates must be backed by either 4 local authorities or 20 members of the Oireachtas to be included on the ballot. In a social media post in the early hours of Monday morning, McGregor said he was truly humbled by the support and encouragement he received after canvassing the length and breadth of Ireland. He said, "Following careful reflection and after consulting with my family, I am withdrawing my candidacy from this presidential race. This was not an easy decision, but it is the right one at this moment in time." Though he has withdrawn from this presidential election, McGregor said this was just his first venture into politics and he will be continuing his political efforts in the future. In March, councillors in Westmeath passed a motion to send a letter to McGregor informing him that a nomination in the forthcoming presidential election, should he choose to run, will not be forthcoming from Westmeath County Council. In a submission made to Dublin City Council, McGregor said the purpose of his presidential campaign was to give power back to the people of Ireland and to represent citizens independently. Had he continued with his campaign, McGregor was set to make a 5-minute presentation to Dublin City Council on Monday evening, followed by a 5-minute long Q&A session.